Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome every one of you again on your channel Vakatech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make more than $10 per day by just using your mobile phone. In fact, using your mobile phone's camera, if you have a smartphone, you can go somewhere, you can take the pictures and you can upload the pictures. I will show you the site where you can just upload your mobile phone's camera's picture and you can get paid more than $10 per day. So you can see in my background, you have a village like that or something, you have a beautiful around you can just go, you have animals like that, you can take the pictures and upload the site and you can get paid. Before moving into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification for the next videos. So don't go anywhere, watch the full video, stick around, I'll show you how. So here's the website where you can just go there and upload your photos from your mobile phone and you can get paid. Shutterstock, you can see, share your work and start earning. And if you are new, you don't have an account here, so you will click on get started here. So then create your account here and earning money from this website. This is amazing. So just full name and display name, email, password, and check this box and click on the next. So let me fill this. When you will put your all details there and you will have the website like that, and you can see my new account. I've already an account and now I created for you. To here you can see promote your portfolio and earn up to $200 for every new customer you refer. You can also copy your referral link here and we will share someone, and if you will get paid, you will get 10% of them also. And here let me show you how you can upload here. Here you can see inside portfolio upload, you can click on upload for new photos or your video. You can also and you can read about that. Let's try again, and I'm ready. Yeah, when it's completed, you will click on next. Yeah, it's a photo, it's not an illustration, and it's a commercial, not a tutorial. It is a commercial picture, so I will add some description with that, and also category. You can choose the category of this picture. So it is a greenery and nature. Here you can see I select nature and category 2 is optional. Here you can add the location, like it is from Ahmedabad, Pakistan. I'm clicking this, and here is release for recognized people. Yeah, it is newest all release, and such you can choose it is model releases, and done. And now this is the main thing, that you have to add your keywords. So on base of that keywords, your picture is going to rank on the site and you are getting more sales on your picture. So here this website is suggested the keywords. Just click on that and so add keywords from yourself also. So I will click on submit. This picture will go live. Add these keywords also in your description, then click on submit. So boom, this website, this picture will go live on site, and yeah, content submitted, you can see. So here's how you can post your picture, and also you can summarize. You can see the summary of your earnings and your referrals, payment history, tax ending, and review content, and all of that you can see on this website and when you will log in here. So you like today's video, so if you like the video, please make sure to thumbs up that video and subscribe my channel. So see you again, till then, bye bye.